Rollercoin are already in love mode with a new Valentine's Day event. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Rollercoin have just started a new Valentine's event, and let's check out what it's all about. On my screen here, you can see the blog from Rollercoin, which was actually released yesterday, as at the time of recording this video. Valentine's Day, let's solve this puzzle of love. Love, oh love, is all around the place, and you can see the two little cute hamsters under the sheets here. Have you sent postcards to your Valentine's rollers? You can astonish them with a simple invitation to our beloved puzzle event. So this is going to be very similar to the Advent calendar event and other similar puzzle events where you kind of get random prizes and uncover the little pieces while you're going through the event. Let's see what Cupid Hamster prepared for you. 8 miners with an overall 3.4 petahash per second plus a 4.5% bonus. 2,250 RST. You're going to be able to spend those before the end of the season, which is very soon as well. 2,550 parts, merge hard, or sell them on the market at a good price, and much, much more. So hurry up, you will be able to express your hearts and souls only until the 15th of February. So this event is running until the 15th of February, and it has already started. I will be leaving a link to the blog down in the description below this video, and here is a quick how to play. In this event, you only need 12 quests as opposed to the 16 that there used to be in other puzzle events, okay? So you can actually skip exchange RLT quests, but still complete the whole progression and grab all rewards, including the final 1.7 terahash lovey-dovey miner. You are free to choose your own strategy depending on your preferences, okay? The rewards are here as well. You can see them as usual. There are two types of rewards. So you'll be getting double the rewards for every 4 hearts that you collect. Progression rewards, you can see them and track your progress on the progression bar at the top. And these are the rewards. You've got a 1% bonus for the first one, a 0.5% bonus for the second one, and a 1% bonus for the lovey-dovey miner, which is the third one. Valentine's Day puzzle gifts, completing tasks, and also reveals pieces of the Valentine's Day puzzle. The more pieces you uncover, the more rewards you will receive. Obviously, these are going to obviously always be drawn at random when you complete and get 1 heart, okay? So let's go to the game and see what they're talking about here. So here, Valentine's Day has begun. Let's start. And here at the very top here, you can see the banner. And we're straight into the event. If you go to the homepage just to see what it's like on the homepage, there is also the lunar burning event has begun as well. Okay, so there are quite a few events going on at the moment on Rollercoin. So this is the Lunar New Year one as well, where you will also achieve even more prizes as well. So you can actually get these in parallel, and these are all running to the end of the season. Okay. So let's go to the home page, and we're going to go to the Valentine's Day event. Okay, and here is the progress bar at the top. If you click on these, you can actually see what the miner is called. After party, it's 2 cells, it's 125. And as we saw in the blog, it was a 1% miner. The second one was a 0.5% miner, which is this one. And the third, but not least, the lovey-dovey miner, which is right here at 1.7 petahash. Okay, now when you're obviously progressing to get these miners at the top, you're always going to be, after each and every 1 heart that you get, you'll be uncovering one of these puzzle pieces that are right here. So you could possibly get the Nightly Paradise, which is 560 terahash with a 1.5% bonus, or the Merry-Go-Round, which is 300 terahash at 0% bonus, but it's got quite a good amount of power as well. There are also temporal bonuses, which are 1.5 petahash for 1 week, and you've got 3 of those, 1, 2, 3 right here. You've got some parts, obviously the parts that we discussed, 2,250 parts that you can always start merging or maybe selling them at a good price on the marketplace as well. A couple of batteries here, and you've got 1,500, 750. You've got all this RST here that you can spend before the end of the season, okay? So the quests are pretty simple. Like the blog said, you can actually skip the exchange RLT tasks, and you can just move on with the other ones, and you will still be getting the total amount of rewards that you possibly can, which is the lovey-dovey miner. But obviously here we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces. So if you actually want to get all of these prizes, then you'd have to go through all of these, including the exchange RLT one, okay? So what Rollercoin was saying in the blog is that you don't need to do the exchange RLT tasks. They were saying that for the progression rewards up here, so to get this lovey-dovey miner right here, you don't actually need to do 16, but you need to do 12. So technically you can see which ones you want to skip. There are 4 that you can actually do without. But then again, if you do those 4 as well, you'll be getting all of the rewards right here, okay? So this is pretty much it, running until the 15th of February. Happy Valentine's Day from Rollercoin. Just remember that if you haven't yet registered to the game, you can do so using my link down in the description below this video, so that you can instantly earn 1000 Satoshi when you use my referral link to register to the game for free. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.